All right, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Saturday, December. What's today? The 27th, I think. Anyway, I just got back from Home Depot, so I had to grab some more materials to get started in Kendall's room. Because I'm gonna use that little small can of Oops paint, and I think one or two of the walls I'm gonna paint for sure, so that way I won't have to do as much wallpaper. Y'all see what I'm saying? I work smarter. Now that I'm in the room, I kind of feel like this might not be enough paint for this wall over here. I don't know. Put it somewhere for right now. So this probably have to come over here. It's too much over here. Let's see how long this takes. Yeah, hanging wallpaper ain't no joke. This is hard. I think what's happening is the walls are not level. Can't be. It's got to be going at a slant because it's making my wallpaper off center. That's why I had to cut this middle one. One more row. So this is the paint, but to me, it's giving purple. It's not dark. I need it to be a little darker. So,
you're doing that one.
What? This? Yeah, because it's a lot. But the wallpaper, I mean, it's turning out cute, but I keep running out. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we had to go back to Home Depot and get another quart of paint because the first one, y'all can't see it in person, but I'm looking at it and it is definitely giving purple. So I'm gonna try this one and I'm gonna put it on the wall. Let me turn y'all around. And see what it looks like side by side. Okay, yeah. So this is the color we're going for. See that gray? That's gray. That one's got a purple hue to it. See if I can put it side by side. Yeah, I can see that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is cut in around the edges, baseboard and everything, and then I'll go in with the roller. I'm probably gonna, let me use some painter's tape so I can just be careful. Before I get started. Okay, y'all. So we down to the nitty gritty on this back wall, and I'm almost done. So I have to go in and do like a little bit of touch-ups and stuff.
Did you paint over those silver things? And purple? Can't get them out. I know you're glad you got to a house now just to paint the roof and stuff. You're only doing that wall today, right?
Huh?
You're only doing that wall today, right?
Yeah, that's a lot.
It didn't even take you that long.
Now this is the paint. Look how thick this paint is. So I'm using a Behr paint and primer. So no, I didn't go in and prime the walls first because it has a primer in the paint. It's a really thick paint.
She want to see the room when it's done.
We almost there, y'all. Almost done. I'm just working in sections. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final paint product when I'm done. Alright, y'all, so we're back. Paint has dried and we took off the painter's tape. Now we're trying to hang this TV. Guys, excuse my brows. I got some brow tint on my eyebrows. Alright, so let's see what we can do, honey. I got my level up here on the wall, but this is how the room turned out. It's not perfect. I am not a professional painter, but I feel like I did a really good job in here. Gray. So I'll put the curtains back up, and then, so this is the last wall that we have to finish. So now we're gonna try to hang this TV.
That right there.
See, I think this thing be lying sometimes.
What are you looking for? How much? Wait, what?
It's supposed to be 16 inches. You can put the washers on there. The washers.
Yo. What up, bro? Nah. Where y'all going? Oh, word.
Alright, y'all, so we got one TV up, but I'm gonna have to get get the thing to hide the cord and then plug it up down here.
What can hide the cord?
They got some things at Home Depot to hide the cord. So
The gray wall make it look better.
you think so? That's what she looking like. Kendall, you need to get your bed together and then figure out. And then,
What's wrong with my bed?
huh?